Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is my freehand painting course book which is in black and white, 64 pages, and those interested they can buy this book. In this book you have full notes on freehand painting and the anatomy of flowers and about the strokes and the techniques of painting. Those interested they can order for this book. Postal charges will be extra. In this video I have put the color pictures of the flowers, but the book is in black and white with notes and anatomy and the techniques of painting. You can see my live videos of freehand painting, and there are many tutorials in my channel. But those who join the basic course of freehand painting can do very easily. In freehand painting, I'll be teaching you all the techniques in detail and explaining you how to do freehand painting, so which is missing in my live tutorials or in the videos. Those who learn the basic code, they can easily do this freehand painting. Once you join my freehand painting course, and when you learn this course, you can easily follow all my videos which I am posting in my channel. You can see all these videos of my flowers in my channel, the tutorials, and you can enjoy all these videos once you learn the techniques. Do click the link of my website in about or in the description below, and there are many other exclusive painting courses, certificate courses which you can join, and for more you can see my videos. Do like the video friends, and there are many courses other than freehand painting, and you can see my other exclusive artworks in my other videos. Keep watching for more interesting tutorials, and those interested please order the book. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.